Okay guys, real quick, this is a repair review. Stomper 200V-HG. It's a 2-pill. Look at straight through SWR to start with. Worldwide 0. Alright, we're going to turn him on. Barb wide open. 1000 watt average. Worldwide. Let's see, that's peak, I'm sorry. That's almost 300. 5 volt reverse. Worldwide, well nothing. Back to 1000 watt average, worldwide over 100 average. PP, worldwide, right close to 300. Gonna bump it a little bit, like you had a hot radio, like an 80 watt radio or whatever. So it's big key. If you want to try to set it for 50, it should be halfway. Oop. Right there. 1000 watt slug. Worldwide. You say she's got this a brand new one. She's showing her S600 right there. Worldwide driven. So we're putting into her. Oh, audio, we're putting 110 into her peak. So it should be about 400 to put 80 into her peak. But anyway, she's right. Just want to show you she's up and working. I said you blowed your variable out. And the only thing that probably caused that, like, if you run it all the way down all the time, they'll blow out quick because they're cutting your radio back so much. Or if you're running it halfway, I never run them below 3/4. If you can't get your day key down to 50, turn that back to 3/4 and you're going to turn it down on your radio some more. There she is. She's up and running, fixed. No problem. Alright folks, hope you enjoyed the video. 018 Tennessee. Be the same. Catch you later. Bye bye.